Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to hard reset your LG Kai for 2017. This operation can be helpful if you doesn't remember the password to your phone or software wasn't work properly. So first of all, you need to charge up your phone, turn off, and hit the combination key volume down. Press and hold volume down and power button together. After you're gonna see LG logo, release power button for a while and hit once again, press and hold it. So first of all, press and hold volume down, press and hold power, see logo, released, press once again, and voila, we have a secret menu from gonna choice yes, by hitting power button, and yes for accept. Now phone gonna remove all data from the phone, remove all passwords and security password from the phone, and that's all. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and see you by next video. Hey.